This video is for those who are searching for an easy way to create a 3D model. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a 3D model by converting a picture into a 3D model just by a click of a button. So for this, you need to download two things. The first thing is to download Blender. So you go here and type in Blender and go to this link right here and download Blender from here. And the second thing you need to follow is this right here. This is a AI that is used to convert any picture and any full body picture into a 3D model. So you can download this from my description and follow along. So you have to find a picture in which a full body a person is visible in that picture. The full body of the person has to be visible. That is a important point. And that it should be of a higher resolution. So go to this and copy it to Drive, and then go right here and connect to hosted runtime, and then go down here, clone PIFU HD, this one, and click on this right here, and this one right here too. It's going to take a bit of time, but you need to have some patience. So you got these green ticks, means it is done. And then you go to this file option right here, click on it, go to this folder right here, PIFUHD, go to sample images, and then import your picture that you have selected. So I have selected this. It should be a full body picture, then only this AI works basically. So drag and drop it here in this right here. And then change the name of this file. So right click and rename file, and I'm going to name this file man. So once it is renamed, then go down here. So right now it has picked the test image to generate the 3D model, but we need to pick our image that we have imported. So we are going to go here before the .png and write man, similar as the picture that we imported, and then go to the runtime, click on it, go to run after, and this process is going to take a bit of time. So once all these are green checked, means your model is done. It depends upon the speed of your PC and the specs of your PC. So I came back here and it is done. So once all this is done, you have all these green ticks right here. After that, it took me around 3-4 minutes. So yeah, after that, go to this folder, close this folder so it can be refreshed, and then go on this results tab right here, results folder. Click it, click on this, and then click on recon. These are the two images. Just gonna click this image, result man. Double click it, and it's being downloaded right now. and save it on your desktop. Let's see how it came out, how it turned out. So it turned out not bad. It's pretty good. We have a raw 3D model right now, but we need to give our 3D model a texture. So for that, we need to go into Blender and import our 3D model. First of all, delete all these camera, light, and the box. Go to File, Import, and go to .obj. And whatever 3D model you saved, you need to import that. So now we have our 3D model right here. Go to this screen and split it into two. And then choose the object and choose edit mode because we want to add texture onto this object. So we need to edit it. And go to this view, UV editor. One side we need UV editor and the other side we need the normal viewer. And then go to open and import the image that you want the texture to be. So the same image as of the model you need to import. So this was my image and this is the model. And go to this green button right here so that it can be aligned to the grid. And then go to this UV right here and project from view. Once you've done that, you need to align this to the image exactly. It should be on top and the same size. So go to this scale tool and scale your object. Align it properly. Once it is aligned properly, go to modeling and go to layout again, and this will be plain like this. And then go to the view modes again and go to shader editor. So here is the nodes right here. We need the nodes to actually apply the changes onto our 3D model. So then go to add texture, image texture, and then we need to import our image once again, and then click this color and drag and drop it on the base color. And this way we will have our shades onto this. So this is our model, and the next step is to render it. So we're going to add a couple of a background, a floor, and light and camera. So first we need to align it to the grid and bring it down. The next step is to go to add mesh and go to plane, add a plane and scale it. This is our floor. And then add a background. Rotate it. Once you have created the background, you can change the color of the background by selecting it and going to this option right here, which says material properties. Click it, press new, and you can give your background a color. So I'm going to give this to both, maybe a bit of difference. Yeah, this looks good. And then add a camera by going to add camera. Align the camera like this and then rotate it for the angle. And then you can check your camera angle by clicking on this right here, and you will see what the render looks like. So I want to go a bit more this side. Once your camera is aligned, it's time to add a light. But before that, just check that your camera angle is correct or not, the one you want and which works for you. So you can always check it with this button right here, and then go to render, and without light just check what your render looks like. So our render right now looks like this, but after adding a light it's going to look a lot better than this. So go to add, and then add a light, and click on sun. So you have a sunlight right here. You just need to align the sunlight in order for your image to be perfect the way you want it. So just point your sunlight towards your object with this. You want it in this direction right here. Yes, looks good. And then now once we'll render and check how it looks like, our image, how good is it looking. So go to render and check your image. Yeah, it looks better than before, but I want a bit of change, so I'm going to change it. So I've aligned my light to the 3D model, and then I'll increase the strength a bit, and then I'll check the render. Let's see how it has come out. So the render is pretty good, and that was it. If you liked your model, you just simply save it and then upload it to OpenSea or any other website you prefer. But if you want to watch a detailed video of how to upload an NFT or an image to OpenSea, just click on the I button on the top or go to the description down below. I have all the videos regarding all the topics down below. If you want to know how to mint 1,000 NFTs or any number of NFTs and create a collection, I have a video regarding that too. And that too 3D NFTs, collection of 3D NFTs. And if you like the video, please subscribe, share, and comment down below what all topics you need me to cover in the future.